going on, everyone? Salinas single cab Modz here. As you guys can tell, we got another single cab on the channel. Right here we got a Dodge Ram D150 Desperado, and as you guys can tell, it's in all original condition. Beautiful red interior, and the outside is a two-tone silver. It's a silver and a dark gray, but I'm probably gonna go with the all silver look on it. We'll see later on down the line, but first things first, we gotta put a muffler on this thing. Can't even hear it. Check it out. Yeah, other than that, right now we're gonna get on the trailer and take it back to South Texas. Let me go ahead and guide him real quick. A little more. A little more. Right there. Here's another look, close up. It's a silver right there, dark gray right here. Has this beautiful trimming right here. You can punch that up. This trimming alone, I checked it out on eBay. Came out to about $6.75 because I wasn't sure if it had it, but we do got it on the truck, so we won't have to be getting that. Desperado. Original rims on there. Let's see what we got under here. That muffler. That's what's silencing it. What else do we got? Original trim moldings. Nice tailgate. We are missing this badge right here. I believe it says Dodge Ram. Chrome trimming on the tail lights. What else do we got? Just a solid truck overall. Came with 2 extra doors, and they're in great condition as well. So if you guys need those doors, shoot me a message. Check out the door panels, looking nice. The window on this side does, yeah, this one doesn't work. The passenger side window does work, so probably got to replace the motor in here. Dash, not cracked at all. This thing will clean up real good. No rust in the corners. Very nice truck. Tires look like they have some life to them still. Probably get these rims powder coated. We got a fishbowl right here. Just missing the fish. What else we got? Got rust on the top of the cab. And it goes along to about right here. So all of this looks like it's shot. Yeah, that's that. What else do we got? That's about it. Dodge D150 Desperado. If you guys like this content, feel free to drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and comment if you guys have any questions. Without further ado, let's get trucking. You got any words to say?
Yeah, this is a good old find, man. You're not gonna find these Dodge Rams in this condition. You know, yeah, some little rust up there. You just fix that thing. Man, these little short beds get more rare. So, they ain't good find.
So one more thing, y'all stay tuned for more future videos on this truck, because there will be content. So make sure you guys subscribe.